Hi. We know that not everyone's having these conversations. Some people don't realize the importance of them. Others have tried to have the conversation, but didn't really like the outcome. Others want to have the conversation, but don't really have the words. And others still are having the conversations every day. This exercise aims to give you the opportunity to have a conversation with a diverse group of people, people who have done lots of work in diversity and inclusion. Whether in their career or through workshops, they've integrated these skills into their everyday life. We know that not everyone's represented in our group, but we do aim to give you a diverse group of experience. We know that some of these words might sound a little academic and sometimes the speech is awkward, but don't worry, the more you practice, the easier it'll get. We know that not everyone's perfect, but we can learn from each other every single day. We're really glad that you decided to take this journey with us, and we look forward to your feedback.